Hi everyone, we're on our way to Sarangani Bay to attend Survey 2024. See you there. We are already here at Sarangani. Finally, we're here in Reyes Beach Resort. We are on our way to the venue, and it's quite different from last year because the parking area was far from the actual resort. We're finally here. Hi, Survey.
Lack of appreciation and allow me to read the content of the set for the
Sige, Tay. Set up mo yan, Tay. Tapos na tent namin.
Nawala yung link.
yan. Labang namin tayo.
Hiram mo. Para sa style.
Tangina mo. Ay, grabe ka talaga, Tay. Di ka makaya. Tara. So medyo late na kami dumating, ginabi na dahil medyo traffic papasok ng Sarangani. But we're fucking here! Barbecue.
Kulihan mo. Kulihan na to.
Alright, so moving on.
Go, Josh!
Dahil umpisa pa lang, magpapasabog na kaagad tayo. We will be giving our first
Hi! Hi, Survey! Daming tao. How's your first survey?
Ay.
We will announce first our first runner-up.
Hey! Guys, sana kayo? Set up nyo na yung mga tent nyo dyan. So, hanapin natin ang HQ. Grabe.
Shorty get low, get low. Everybody get it low, get it low, get it low now. Hey, hey. Get your waist wide. Say you think.
Chest up. Exhale to your downward facing dog. Tailbones pointing towards the sky. Long deep breaths. 3, 2,
Good morning, Disney Princess.
1. Inhale, gaze and front. Step in between your hands. Exhale. Another inhale, heel, back bend a little, and then back to the center, hands on your side.
Breakfast here at the village to eat some
Step your left
Bulalo.
foot at the back. Bend your right knee to your warrior
Good morning,
two.
Disney Princess.
Straighten your right.
Bula Lords.
Closer.
Bula Lords para sa hangover. Good morning, Survey. Tara.
siya, si Christian. Karen Cubero. Next is si Carmina. Ay, if you want water, please.
Suka Lord. Isuka na natin yan. Kasi inom. Grabe, alam mo ba, nakatatlong bote tayo ng tequila kagabi.
Para magtayo dun sa ano.
Medyo mas maganda yung beach talaga dun sa Whitehaven kesa dito. Hala, high tide pala masyado eh. HQ man ito. Grabe. The aftermath. Grabe, hala. Hindi ba ito mag-ground lahat? Grabe. What a disaster. HQ. Grabe ka, high tide. Na may mga bote pa. Sige na.
Doon ako sa dulo, oh.
Uy, kalayo-layo.
Sige lang, dito ka lang.
Grabe oh. Ikaw dumi-dumi.
Enjoy kayo?
Hi everyone. This is the aftermath of the disaster. The first and last survey daw ni Tio.
Yes.
Dahil nakakapagod na ang ganitong buhay. Next year gusto na lang namin ng normal na buhay at simpleng buhay.
Sunset lang.
Dapat hindi na tayo saan ang sasakyan. Bye everyone.